This is a passion. I'm telling you all, watch this space in 2 years' time. Go, girl.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ephenia from the Lisedi Secondary School, and I will be presenting on behalf of the Lisedi Secondary School. Lisedi Secondary School is a conservancy, is a school that is situated in Donkerhoek, and it comprises of 500 students. Lisedi means light, that's why we get good results. The aims of the school conservancy: to promote an interest in environmental conservation, like making the learners aware of the environment, the plants and the animals that live in the environment. To create an environmental friendly school campus, like encouraging the learners to stop polluting the environment and take care of the plants and animals that live in the environment. To study the indigenous fauna and flora, and to also study the natural phenomena like the natural disasters, the tornadoes, earthquakes, and the volcanoes. The project of the Lisedi Secondary School Conservancy. Other day, we were digging holes for planting the plants. And as you can see our happy faces, we were happy for planting the trees, and we were using the beam to water the plants, as it is a good thing to water plants after planting. When last did you plant a tree? As a result of the Arbor Day, we planted Eucalyptus capensis along the driveway, and as you can see now, it has grown. In 2012 May, we went to Yebo Gogo Yebo Amablomo, whereby we were taught about the plants, the medicinal plants, the cleanliness of water, and how we are supposed to keep the environment clean. And as you can see, we also learned about spiders and snakes also. We had a tree identification course at our school, and it was held by Petrolema and John Ditoy. We learned about the different types, leaf shapes, and the madrib, the margin, and how can we identify a leaf. The snake identification. We identified the snakes and how the snakes are adapted to live in the environment. Then we had a spider day in our school, whereby we were touching the spiders, feeding the spiders, and looking at them, learning about the spiders, how they made and how they live usually. Then we touch the spiders. Usually spiders are like snakes. They leave their old skin and have new skins. When last did you touch a spider? Then we paid a visit to the Tuain crater. Tuain means a place of salt, and it was named by the Tuana people. Tuain, it happens that a meteor from the space crashed into the Earth's surface, and the meteor is 100 meters deep and 1.13 diameter wide. And at the bottom of the crater, some people believe that when they swim or drink the water, they can get healing from the water. As you can see, a man is spraying the weeds. The man is wearing protective clothing to combat undeclared weeds. Then this process is called a mechanical process. We had a lecture on color legislation whereby we were combating undeclared weeds. And the man, as you can see, is washing hands after using the toxic medicine. Lantana. Lantana appears to be a pink or yellow flower along the hedge of the school. Lantana is declared as a declared weed. And as you can see, the man is spraying the lantana as to destroy it. There is still a lot of work to do around our school. And we have weeds such as bugweeds, large queen of the night, and the cat's claw creeper. acknowledgements, I would like to thank Mrs. Joan Dudoy, Mr. Lawrence van der Vesthuizen, Mrs. Sarah George, Dr. Zig Sitzman, Mr. George Mashilo, and the community that supports us. And I would also like to encourage people out there to stop killing the animals, poaching, and deforestation. Thank you.